Hi, in this video we will learn about a special type in Swift, optional. Optional is a variable which may have or may not have any value. If there is some value in the optional variable, then it is not equal to nil, otherwise if does not have any value, it will be equal to nil. To make a optional variable, we will use a question mark after the declaration of a variable. The example of making an optional variable is where code the data type of the variable followed by a question mark followed by the assignment of a value. To unwrap the value of this optional variable, we will use an exclamatory mark after the variable name. Example is the code followed by the exclamation mark. Optional variables are good for avoiding errors in your program. Now we will see a practical implementation of optionals in our programs. In the first line, we have declared a variable x that is of type integer. We have used the question mark after the integer data type to make it an optional value. In the second line, we have declared another variable y that is of type integer, and again we have made it an optional, but this time we have assigned a value to this. Now when you try to print the value of x, then it will give nil because we have not assigned any value to x variable. After that, when we try to print the value of y, it will give optional 5 because it is an optional type of variable and we have directly printed it. To print the exact value inside this optional, we will have to unwrap this. To unwrap this, we will need to write the exclamatory symbol after the variable name. That is, we will need to write y followed by an exclamatory mark. This will give the value inside the optional variable. Now, if we try to force unwrap a optional variable which is null, then it will cause an error. Like, if we try to unwrap variable x that is nil and does not have any value, then it will give an error that is unexpectedly found nil while unwrapping an optional value. That is, it was trying to unwrap the variable x, but the variable x was nil, so this will cause an error. This is how you can use optionals in your programs. Thank you.